Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In today's video, we'll continue with lesson number 5 of English grammar, that is gender. We'll do exercise B, C and D of this lesson. In my previous video, we started this lesson. I gave a detailed explanation of gender. We also did exercise A. If you want to watch that video, you can go to the description box. I'll give the link of the video in the description box. Now let's start today's video. Let's start with exercise B. Look here. Write the masculine gender of the nouns. So here are some nouns given to us. These are feminine nouns. We have to write the masculine gender of these feminine nouns. See the first one. What it is? Girl. What is the masculine gender of girl? It is boy. So you will write boy. See the second one. Hen. What is the masculine gender of hen? It is cock. So you will write cock. See the third one. Mother. What is the masculine gender of mother? It is father. So you will write father. Now queen. What is the masculine of queen? It is king. Cow. What is the masculine gender of cow? It is bull. So you'll write bull. See the sixth one. Maid servant. What is the meaning of maid servant? Maid servant means a female person who comes to a house and gives domestic help. Okay? Now, what will be the masculine gender of maid servant? It will be man servant. It means a male person who comes to a house for domestic help. So you will write man servant. Now see the seventh one, mare. What is the masculine of mare? It is horse. Now see the eighth one, tigress. What is the masculine of tigress? It is tiger. Now the ninth one, waitress. What is the masculine of waitress? Waiter. Daughter. What is the masculine gender of daughter? Son. Now we'll do exercise C. Write the feminine gender of the nouns. Now masculine genders are given. We have to write the feminine genders. See the first one. He goat. What will be the feminine of he goat? It will be she goat. Lion. What will be the feminine of lion? It will be lioness. Grandfather. What will be the feminine gender of grandfather? It will be grandmother. Peacock. What will be the feminine gender of peacock? It will be peahen. Nephew. What will be the feminine gender of nephew? It will be niece. Niece. Then sixth one, host. What will be the feminine gender of host? It will be hostess. Uncle. What will be the feminine gender of uncle? It will be aunt. Eighth one, wizard. What will be the feminine gender of wizard? It will be witch. W-I-T-C-H. See the ninth one. What will be the feminine gender of prince? It will be princess. What will be the feminine gender of fox? It will be vixen. V-I-X-E-N. Now we'll do exercise D of this lesson. Underline the nouns in the sentences. Write M for masculine nouns and F for feminine nouns. So see, some sentences are given. What you have to do, you have to find out the nouns in these sentences and then tell if they are masculine nouns or feminine nouns. For masculine nouns, we will write M, and for feminine nouns, we will write F. So see the first one. The peacock flew away. What is the noun over here? Peacock. Male or female? Masculine or feminine? What will you say? Masculine. So we will write M on top. See the second one. My uncle owns this horse. Now uncle and horse. So uncle. Uncle is what? Male. Then horse is what? It is also male. So both are masculine. So that's why I have written M. Now see the third one. The waitress remembers me. Now waitress is the noun over here. Masculine gender or feminine gender? What will you say? Feminine. So that's why I'll write F on top. Now see the fourth one. The prince fought bravely. Prince. Prince is the noun over here. What it is? Masculine or feminine? Masculine. So we will write M. Now see the fifth one. Do you know this poet? Poet is masculine or feminine? It is masculine. So that's why we'll write M. See the sixth one. The fox is very clever. Fox is what? Masculine or feminine? What will you say? Masculine. So we will write M. Now see the seventh one. My grandfather is 50 years old. What is the noun here? Grandfather. Now grandfather is masculine gender or feminine gender? Masculine. So you will write M. Now see the eighth one. The bull looks angry. Bull. Bull is masculine or feminine? Masculine. So you will write M. Now see the ninth one. The hungry lion roared loudly. Now lion is the noun in this sentence. Masculine or feminine? Masculine. So you will write M. Now see the 10th one. The boy fought with his sister. Now the noun in the sentence is boy. Okay. And masculine or feminine? Masculine. So we will write M on top. Okay. So here we finished lesson 5 of English grammar. If you enjoyed watching the video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.